Atoms are ridiculous and unbelievably small. A single human hair is about as thick as 500,000 carbon atoms stacked over each other. Look at your fist. It contains trillions and trillions of atoms. If one atom in it were about as big as a marble, how big would your fist be? Well, about the size of Earth. Still hard to imagine? Let's try. Look at your little finger. Imagine that its tip is as big as the room you're sitting in right now. Now, fill the room with grains of rice. One rice corn represents one cell of your fingertip. Now let's zoom in on the rice corn. And now, one cell is as big as the room you're in right now. Let's fill it with rice again. This is about the size of a protein. And now, let us fill all the empty spaces between the rice corns with fine grains of sand. This is roughly how small atoms are. What is an atom made of? Let us just pretend that atoms look like this for a minute to make it easier to understand. An atom consists of three elementary particles: neutrons, protons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons bind together and form the atom core, held together by the strong interaction, one of the four fundamental forces in the universe. They are made from quarks and held together by gluons. Nobody knows exactly how small quarks are. We think they might literally be points, like in geometry. Try to imagine them as being zero-dimensional. We suspect that quarks and electrons are the most fundamental components of matter in the universe. Electrons orbit the atom core. They travel at a speed of about 2,200 kilometers per second, fast enough to get around the Earth in just over 18 seconds. Like quarks, we think electrons are fundamental particles. 99.99999999999% of an atom's volume is just empty space.